Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a mass more than 300 times greater than Earth and a diameter over 11 times larger. It's difficult to imagine what would happen if Jupiter were to collide with Earth, but it's safe to say that the results would be catastrophic. Subscribe now. If Jupiter collided with Earth, the impact would release an enormous amount of energy, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. The heat and pressure from the impact would vaporize both planets, creating a massive fireball that would expand out into space. The debris from the collision would be scattered throughout the solar system, potentially causing damage to other planets and moons. It's likely that the impact would also have a significant impact on the asteroid belt, causing some asteroids to be ejected from their orbits and potentially posing a threat to other planets in the solar system. The aftermath of the collision would be a debris field that would slowly orbit the Sun. Over time, the debris would begin to clump together due to gravitational attraction, forming new planets and moons. However, the resulting planets would be significantly different from Earth and Jupiter, as they would be composed mostly of debris from the collision. While it's unlikely that Jupiter will collide with Earth, the possibility of such a catastrophic event highlights the importance of studying and understanding the dynamics of our solar system. By gaining a better understanding of the forces at work in our solar system, we can better predict and prepare for potential collisions and other catastrophic events that could impact life on Earth. In addition, understanding the dynamics of our solar system can also help us to better understand the origins and evolution of the planets and moons in our solar system. Fortunately, the likelihood of Jupiter colliding with Earth is extremely low. Jupiter's orbit is far enough away from Earth that the two planets are unlikely to ever cross paths. However, there is always a small chance that a rogue planet or asteroid could enter our solar system and pose a threat to Earth. To mitigate this risk, scientists are constantly monitoring the skies for potential threats, and developing strategies to prevent or mitigate the damage from potential collisions. For example, NASA is currently developing a planetary defense system that would use spacecraft to deflect incoming asteroids and comets that pose a threat to Earth. Subscribe now. While the idea of a collision between Earth and Jupiter is frightening, it serves as a reminder of the incredible forces at work in our solar system, and the importance of studying and understanding these forces to ensure the safety of our planet and the other objects in our solar system. By continuing to study and explore the universe around us, we can gain a better understanding of our place in the cosmos, and take steps to protect ourselves from potential threats. In addition to the catastrophic physical effects of a collision between Earth and Jupiter, there would also be significant consequences for life on Earth. The release of energy from the collision would likely cause a global extinction event, wiping out most if not all life on the planet. The resulting debris field could also have long-term effects on the climate and atmosphere of the Earth, potentially leading to significant changes in the global ecosystem. The impact could also have a significant effect on Earth's orbit and rotation, potentially leading to changes in the length of days and seasons. Despite the extremely low probability of a collision between Earth and Jupiter, it's still important for scientists to continue to study the dynamics of our solar system and to monitor for potential threats. By doing so, we can better understand the potential risks and take steps to mitigate them. In addition to monitoring for potential threats, scientists are also exploring the possibility of using Jupiter's immense gravity to our advantage. Jupiter's gravity is so strong that it can deflect asteroids and comets that might otherwise pose a threat to Earth. By strategically positioning spacecraft near Jupiter, we could potentially use its gravity to deflect incoming threats and protect our planet from potential collisions. In conclusion, a collision between Earth and Jupiter would be catastrophic, with far-reaching consequences for our planet and the entire solar system. While the likelihood of such an event is extremely low, it's important for us to continue to study and understand the dynamics of our solar system to ensure the safety of our planet and the other objects in our solar neighborhood. By exploring the universe around us and developing strategies to protect our planet, we can continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge and ensure the survival of life on Earth. While the idea of a collision between Earth and Jupiter may seem like science fiction, it serves as a stark reminder of the incredible forces at work in our universe, and the importance of understanding and respecting those forces. In the end, the best defense against potential threats from space is knowledge, preparation, and collaboration. By working together to study and understand the dynamics of our solar system, we can develop strategies to protect ourselves from potential collisions and other catastrophic events, and ensure the continued survival of life on Earth.